How to turn on iPhone Buzz. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your settings. Here we go. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of Sounds and Haptics. Open it. Now here you're going to find this option of Haptics. Open it. Check in for the option of Always Play, or you can set it to play in silent mode. Now head back. Scroll down. You will see the option of System Haptics. Enable for this option. Likewise, here you're going to find different options. Click on each of the option. Firstly, I'm going to open this option of ringtone. Now here you're going to find this option of haptics. Open it. From here you can easily select the haptic sound. Here you're going to find different options. Likewise, head back. Open another option, text tone. For this as well, open this option of haptics and select the haptic sound. Do the same for all these available options. New voicemail, new mail, sent mail, and everything, and other options. After you customize these settings, head back, scroll down, navigate to the option of accessibility, then open this option of touch. Now scroll down, you will see the option of vibration over here. Toggle on for the option. Likewise, you can open this option of haptic touch, and from here you can select the touch duration. You can set it to fast, default, or slow. After you customize these settings, you have easily turned on iPhone Buzz. Well, this way you can easily turn on iPhone Buzz. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.